Hi, I'm Julius. My jaw was locking and I had a bunch of clicking noises on both sides of my jaws, and this is my second week with the mouth guard to help prevent my jaw from clicking and locking and also help my jaw set properly, and it has been doing great, and I haven't had any clicking or locking with the mouth guard in at all.
How about your neck and back? How's that feeling?
My neck and back are feeling great after playing the guitar and piano for several hours a day. They're feeling great, better than ever.
Okay, perfect. Anything else you'd like to add?
I'm really pleased with the treatment and it's going well.
Great. Can I put this on the internet?
Yes.